Hello, my name is Jody Samuels. Welcome to week 14 of the FX Trader's Edge Trade of the Week series on the Forex market, featuring the Euro-Pound cross. Before we get started, I want to bring to your attention the special promotion going on right now to join my FX Trader's Edge online trading advisory for free for the month of May. If you enjoy this Trade of the Week series and want to learn the skills to make trades like this one and want to see Elliott Wave counts on 16 different currency pairs on a daily basis, consider joining my team in the online trading advisory with Trading Post. Purchase this monthly subscription service from their online store at www.tradingpostfinancial.com and go to their online store, and you will receive your first 30 days risk-free and free of charge. Also, don't forget to contact me if you have comments or questions about the Trade of the Week or the Trade of the Week series. I will be more than pleased to answer your questions. And now, on to the Euro-Pound cross. First, let's review some of the Euro and Pound fundamentals coming up this week, which could affect this cross. This Thursday is the day for interest rate announcements. The Bank of England is expected to lower rates by 25 basis points from 5.25% to 5%, while the ECB is expected to leave rates unchanged at 4%. There are also a number of releases out of the Eurozone which could point to a slowdown in growth. If indicators come out weaker than expected, and if Trichet acknowledges the slowdown in Eurozone growth, then this cross could weaken. Similarly, if the Bank of England leaves rates unchanged, this would provide support to the pound and the cross will weaken. Now let's take a top-down approach, starting with the weekly chart. On this weekly chart, we have clearly moved up impulsively, and it is tough to say whether a top is near. All we can say from this chart is once a top is reached, we will correct this move up, which could take us down to between 72.50 and 76.50. These are all Fibonacci retracements on the last swing move up, 76.50 being 23.6% and 72.50 being the 50% target. However, before this can occur, the fundamentals really do need to shift in favor of the pound and away from the euro. Let's look at the daily chart now. Once we have confirmation that a top is in place, we will look for another 5-wave move down, which takes us to the Fibo target levels of between 72.50 and 76.50. The conservative target would be 76.50. Notice on this chart the divergence in the awesome oscillator, which provides some comfort that price is running out of steam to the top side. You can also put up a MACD and you would see the same divergence, or any other oscillator for that matter. So now the question is, have we seen the top? Let's move down to yet a smaller time frame, the 4-hour chart, and see what we see. On this 4-hour chart, we see a 5-wave move down, which we've labeled a 1, followed by corrective price action. At this point, we can go down to the hourly chart and use our Fibo tool to point out the corrective levels for this wave 2. We see that we have reached the 50% target at 79.04 and will likely test the 61.8% level at 79.22. It is even possible to reach the 76.4% target of 79.45 before this cross turns down again. Stops will be placed above the highs at 79.85 because a breach of that level will mean still higher prices for the euro-pound. So this looks like a low-risk, high-reward trade once this cross turns around, as the stop is 79.85, but the profit targets are substantially lower than these levels. While the setup hasn't firmed up yet, watch as this trade unfolds this week. We have enough news on the fundamental front to perhaps cause a shift in the sentiment on this cross. If you enjoy the Trade of the Week series and want to learn the skills to make trades like this one, and want to see Elliott Wave counts on 16 different currency pairs on a daily basis, consider joining my online trading advisory with Trading Post. Go to tradingpostfinancial.com and purchase this monthly subscription service from their online store and enter the coupon code to receive your first 30 days risk-free and free of charge. That's right, the first 30 days is free. And again, the codes are as follows. For U.S. residents, the code is, this is the coupon code, 5MP2VBG. And Canadian residents code is 5CA2VBG. This is the end of the Trade of the Week comment. Happy trading, and see you next week.